Little Learner Studio.
Hello, little explorer. Are you ready to learn about vehicles today? Then let's go. Our first vehicle is a car. Can you say car? Cars are small vehicles that go on the road, take people to work, to store, or on a fun trip. Do you see a car on the road? Let's see how a car moves. Look at the car. This is our next vehicle. This is a bus. Can you say bus? B-U-S, bus. Buses can carry many people. You might also take a bus to your school. Repeat with me. Bus. Good job. Let's see our next vehicle. This is a police car. Can you say a police car? Police cars help keeps us safe. Can you hear the siren? Let's say once more. Police car. Great job! Let's see what's next. This is an ambulance. Let's say it together. Ambulance. Ambulances help take people to the hospital. They drive very fast when somebody needs help. Let's say it together slowly. Ambulance. Wow, you're doing great. Now what's next? Our next vehicle is a truck. Say again. A truck. Trucks carry heavy things like boxes or food. They are big and strong. Look at the truck. This is a taxi. Can you say taxi? Taxis take people to places when they don't have a car. And most of the taxis are yellow in color. Let's repeat with me. Taxi. Really good. Our next vehicle is a motorcycle. It has two wheels and it goes fast. But you have to wear a helmet when you ride it. Can you see again? Motorcycle. Good. What's next? This is a bicycle. Repeat with me. Bicycle. It has two wheels and pedals. Can you ride a bicycle? Nice. See the man with his bicycle. Let's see our next vehicle. This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer. This moves dirt and rocks at construction sites. It's strong and loud. Say again, bulldozer. You're doing great. Let's see our next vehicle. An aeroplane. See again, an aeroplane. It flies high in the sky and takes people far away. See again, an airplane. Very nice. Let's move to our next vehicle. This is a helicopter. A helicopter. It has spinning blades on the top and it can fly up and down easily. Say hi to the helicopter. Good. Our next one is ship. Say again. Ship. It's really big and it goes across the sea. Wow, look how big it is. Say again. Ship. Our next vehicle is train. Once more. Train. Trains move on tracks and carry people and things. Once more. A train. Good job, kids. Now let's recall all the vehicles. Car. A bus. A police car. An ambulance. A taxi. A truck. A motorcycle. A bicycle. A bulldozer. An airplane. A helicopter. A ship. A train. Good job, kids. Now you know all the vehicles. Well done. Subscribe for more fun and calm learning. See you next time. Bye bye.